Good morning, cookies, and welcome to Number Corner. We're going to review the pattern that we have right here for our calendar. And it is, I'm listening to you, circle, rectangle, triangle, square, circle, rectangle, triangle, square. And if we go back and look on our calendar, we can see that it follows this pattern. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square, circle, our clock, square, rectangle, the window, triangle, the flag, square, the checkerboard, circle, rectangle, triangle, square, circle, it's a quarter. Let me show you guys. See, round, no sides, and flat. And today, drum roll please, it is a rectangle. What object is shaped like a rectangle here? That's right, it's a rug. You also notice we have a very special marker for today. It is a cookie birthday. Happy birthday, Mackenzie. Are you old enough to drive to school now? Miss B's just kidding. Let's go over the days of the week. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So if we look up here, Monday. So today is Monday, September 14th. The 1 and a 4 makes the 14th. 2020. And the months are, say it with me, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And now we're going to scoot over to the other part of our number corner. I am so glad you're here, even if it is on video. So we need to add a blue dot to my nose. No, that's not where it goes. It goes on the 10 frame, sillies. So if we look up here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red dots and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue dots. So 5 and 5 make 10. You're right. Let's be a good mathematician though and double check by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, cookies. And so we also have to add our blue link to our chain. And if you look at it and help me count, remember, you touch when you count. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when we get a full 10, we move it over here because we're going to learn to count by tens by counting our chains. Now, Miss B went ahead and added 10 to our chart here, and you write it by making a 1 and a 0. That makes the number 10. Show me 10 with your fingers. Yep, that's all fingers. Remember to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right, 10 fingers. And Miss B started from the wrong side, so let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, because you need to start from your left and go to your right. But when Miss B looks at the camera, guess what? This is actually my right hand. I have to do the opposite of you guys so that I get you going in the right direction. Now, today is day 10, so we need to find out how many cubes we collected in the calendar collector. Are you ready? So, here we go. 1, Oh, Miss B almost forgot. She needs her 10 frame mat. So she's going to hold it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 on the mat, and I should have showed you better, and I'm sorry. We'll double check. We'll touch each one. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to put those all together. And you have some at home to practice with, and you're going to need some tomorrow for our number corner. So don't forget. I'll let your grown-ups know. So, whoops, this big, if you press it too hard, they come apart when you're trying to put them together. So I have my 10. I'm going to put it in the second pocket, and then I'm going to put my number 10 up here too. So the first week we collected 9, and the second week we collected 10. So I wonder how many we'll collect this week. And then we're going to find out how many we collected for the whole month. So, cookies, practice your numbers. It's in your blue folder. You can use your dry erase marker on the plastic. Leave the paper in the plastic, okay? Practice 1, 2, and 3, please. And I hope you have a wonderful Cookielicious day.